Gelgoog's independently developed cocoa bean peeling system is designed for small and medium-sized production enterprises, providing efficient and precise peeling solutions. Through advanced shaft roller extrusion crushing technology, the system can accurately decompose cocoa beans, screen and winnow the broken kernels, shells by gravity difference. With a peeling rate of more than 98%, the production capacity of 601,000 kilograms each, and adjustable crushing and winnowing capacity, with excellent separation accuracy. The system has efficient peeling function, is environmentally friendly and dust-free, and is an ideal choice for small and medium-sized cocoa grinding companies. As the only company in China that has mastered the cocoa process and complete line solutions throughout the entire process, Gelgoog provides integrated solutions from process design to customized equipment and full process services, with its independent cocoa process laboratory and 12,000 square meters of R&D and manufacturing center. So far, Gelgoog has provided cocoa processing technology and solution support to more than 40 food companies in 16 countries around the world. Gelgoog has always been the best strategic partner for the transformation and upgrading of small and medium-sized cocoa companies.